Send the next truck in. Watch the conveyor, it's getting backed up. Move those to the grade A pile. Watch out for the forklift behind you. Every coconut must pass quality inspections before entering production. The coconuts are thoroughly cleaned to ensure food safety.
Goes to the reject chute, it's slightly bruised. Keep an eye on the coloring.
The coconuts are ready. Next, you'll see how factories extract thousands of gallons of pure coconut water every day. Now comes the most important step: extracting the pure coconut water hidden inside every coconut. Every hour, thousands of coconuts are opened and processed.
Check the metrics on the east quadrant. We have a fluctuation. Adjusting the flow rate. It's stabilizing now.
Here we see the slightly opaque feed water meeting the semi-permeable membranes, resulting in this perfectly transparent permeate. The raw coconut water is collected immediately to preserve freshness and taste.
The pressure on regulator 3 seems low. Can you check the historical data?
Pulling it up now. It dipped slightly yesterday too, but stabilized quickly.
Advanced filters remove tiny particles while maintaining the natural flavor. Check the pressure on gauge 7. The flow rate is slightly high.
It's stabilized now. Looks good.
The spectrometer results confirm the sample exceeds the 99% threshold.
Excellent. We can clear this shipment for processing.
Spectrometry results confirm high electrolyte levels, but the amino acid profile is unusual.
I agree.
Let's cross-reference the chromatographic data.
Only approved batches continue to the next stage.
The factory prepares thousands of bottles every hour. In just a few moments, these bottles will be packaged and shipped to stores across the country.